Deutsch lernen, egal wo du bist. Bäh. Hello and welcome to German on the Go with Peter. Peter, that's me. In this introductory lesson, I'll tell you what German on the Go is all about. It's a German course that you can take with you wherever you go. You can listen during your commute, while you're walking, while you're cooking, or whenever you have a few free minutes. I was born and raised in Berlin, Germany. More precisely in West Berlin, back when the city was still divided by the Berlin Wall. Today, I work as a German teacher here in Berlin, teaching German to migrants from all over the world. Over the years, I've created many German learning videos and built a growing community of learners on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Sometimes people even recognize me on the U-Bahn, Berlin's subway system, and it's always great to meet the people who are learning German with me online in real life. I've always been fascinated by languages. I enjoy learning them myself, and I speak several languages at different levels, so I understand many of the difficulties that language learners experience, whether it's new vocabulary, grammar rules, or unfamiliar sounds like richtig. I love teaching, and I've always enjoyed helping people discover and learn my native language. That's why I've created German on the Go. This podcast is for anyone who understands English and wants to learn German step by step. You don't need any previous knowledge of German. We will start at the very beginning and slowly build your vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and listening skills. You also do not need to sit at a desk or work through a textbook every time you want to learn. The lessons are designed so that you can follow them entirely by listening, without having to look at a screen. I want you not only to understand German, but also to feel confident speaking it. That's why pronunciation is especially important to me. And when German grammar seems complicated, I will break it down with clear explanations and memorable examples, making it much easier to understand. You do not have to understand or remember everything immediately. You can listen to each lesson more than once and pause whenever you need more time. Each lesson comes with a downloadable PDF summary. You'll find the link in the episode description. And if you'd like a complete and more visual learning program, you can also take my full A1 German course. The course consists of 52 structured video lessons taught in English, with accompanying PDFs, vocabulary quizzes, and additional exercises. You'll find the link in the description as well. German on the Go will grow step by step, just like your German. Thanks for listening. I'm Peter, and this is German on the Go. Deutsch lernen, egal wo du bist. Bäh. See you on the next episode.